Well, there you have it, my friends. All 12 days of Christmas. Great, fun little gifts that you can give as you're going over to someone's house for the holidays or anytime. The free CAD files are all there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the links to the full-length videos where you can get the coupon code so you get the CAD files for free. I'm going to put those down in the description so that you'll have them all in one spot if you want to download them. Watch the full-length videos, subscribe and like. Small price to pay for the CAD files and stuff. Maybe give me a comment, whatever, which ones did you like the best, which ones you think could go over the best, whatever. Anyhow, it was a lot of work to do all of these files and make the videos in a couple, 3.5 weeks for Christmas. So, my Christmas gift to you, Merry Christmas. Check out the links in there, subscribe and like. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks again.